Local news for Friday the 1st of December. The Big Book Bash is on this weekend. It's a festival of 25 free activities for kids, teens and adults with 30 authors and illustrators of the Wairarapa and Wellington descending on Carterton for the day tomorrow. The day kicks off at 11am with all the events being held in Holloway Street. And just 2 local bars have signed up for the Free Coke for Designated Drivers program. CBK in Masterton and the Martinborough Hotel are both on board. Sales of tractors are strong and the farm machinery sector is employing more workers, demonstrating a positive outlook for the primary industry. That according to New Zealand Tractor and Machinery Association President Roger Niehoff. The Wairarapa region experienced slightly increased sales of between 5 and 10% despite a wet and cold winter. And in sport, the Wairarapa men's cricket side take on Manawatu tomorrow in round 3 of the Furlong Cup, the game being played at the Queen Elizabeth Park Oval. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.